I am Dr. Prathamesh S. Pai, a consultant head and neck surgeon at Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. We treat patients from across the country and understand the problems faced by our countrymen in getting good quality cancer treatment. We especially treat patients from the Northeast, Bengal, Assam and Sikkim. In today's difficult times, such as the COVID pandemic, cancer treatment has been affected due to restrictions of travel and medical care enforced. Telemedicine is thus helping bridge this gap between the patient and the caregiver. Teleconsultation has brought the doctor home and allowed continuation of treatment. In cancer, continuity of care is critical, not only in convalescence but also in early detection of recurrences. Timely care is now possible at the doorstep and will help overcome the hurdles created by the pandemic. In rural population, travel restrictions and economic hardships has prevented many patients from seeking medical attention. Teleconsultation will now allow the patients to get in touch with the doctor irrespective of their location. It has been proven that the patients can be given proper guidance with a dialogue with a doctor. And telemedicine is that way of getting the dialogue with the patient and overcoming the first stumbling block, that is the contact with a good doctor. Once given a path, subsequent management can be planned better. Thus, rural population is best served by teleconsultation. In North Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, many people live in small communities in remote locations, and it becomes difficult to provide them with cancer care access. These facilities are currently not available in North Bengal, which has a significant remote rural population. Teleconsultation thus is the need of the hour and has the potential to develop into being a new normal for us. Head and neck cancer is a preventable cancer. Regular dental checkup, oral hygiene, avoiding tobacco and alcohol will reduce head and neck cancers by 90% in our country. This is huge, considering the phenomenal burden our society currently has in managing these cancers. Let us all pledge to improve our health, lead a happy, healthy life. There is more to life, and this pandemic has shown us a mirror towards this. It is up to us to learn to live one with nature and grow into responsible people, caring for self as well as our planet. So guys, take care, wear your mask, wash your hands and maintain social distance. Stay safe and warm regards.